Happy Wednesday, ladies. Who's ready to get Bikini Bod ready? We're going to do abs and all things core. Okay, so right here, I am coming up into a plank. You want to really make sure that you are on your elbows, that your back is straight. Mine looks a little curved here. Try to be as straight as possible. Please ignore the shoes, and you are going to strengthen your core this way. This will give you the mega bikini bod that you've been looking for. Next, I'm going to come down. I'm going to come up into the same thing. I'm going to come into plank, but this time I am twisting. These are called plank twists. Notice my toes. I'm on tippy toes, and I'm going back and forth. This is strengthening my core, as well as giving me that bikini bod look that I'm looking for on those side obliques. I'm then going to switch into rows. Here I've grabbed weights. It's a little bit more accelerated. They've also been known as Russian twists, but I call them as a row, like row your boat. Make sure you keep your feet up through the entire workout. You can also do them without weights. Right here, I'm going to demo what it's like without weights. Make sure you keep those toes nice and pointed and up. You never want to get your feet down off the ground. And you don't want to compromise your back. So you don't want to be up too straight. You want to be at about 90-degree angle. We're then going to move into lying leg raises. These are really going to work that muffin top. I hate to use that word, but that's what they do. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible. Mine are a little too bent in this picture. Keep them nice and straight, and you're never going to touch the ground on this. You're going to come up and you are going to feel it in that midsection. Let me just tell you, love. Next, we're going to come up. This is called a V-up. This is a very challenging workout, but it definitely will do the trick. So my feet are going to try to touch my toes, and I'm coming up. Every time, the higher you go with your hands without just using your neck, you're going to really strengthen that core, and you're going to see the results that you're looking for. Okay, so these are very, very basic. Who's done bicycles before? These are great. They're effective. They're old school. You're going to touch your elbow to your knee, and you are going to love your bikini bod. Next, we're going to go to the toe touches. So you're going to use alternate leg and arm. You're going to touch the toe and the tip of your finger at the same time, and then you're going to switch to your other side. I love these. These are a great new workout. Then we are going, we are going to continue with the toe touches. These are kind of like the saws. It kind of is a catch-22, like rubbing your head and stomach at the same time, just to make that switch. Notice that my left leg is never touching the ground. We're then going to move up to V holds. They're kind of like those V touches we did, but this time you are just going to hold it. Hold your breath. Just kidding. But you're definitely going to feel these. You're going to come down if you need to take a break, and I hope that you enjoyed Wednesday's workout. Thanks, ladies.